Hello, I am Polygon Playground, and you're watching episode 3 of 3D for Everyone. In today's video, we are going to add more details to the house we modeled earlier. We will make the doors and windows the same way we made the house. We will start with a cube. With the Move tool, we drag the cube out on the Z-axis. Now we drag it up on the Y-axis. Using the Scale tool, flatten the cube by scaling it on the Z-axis. This will form the base of your window. Now click the Isolate tool so that we can focus only on the window. Go into Front View and isolate the window again. Zoom in. Go into Face mode. Select the face in front. Rotate view and select the back face while holding Shift. Extrude by scaling on the X and Y axis while holding Shift. Select a face facing the X axis and delete it. Select Isolate. Select Object Mode. Now with the Move tool, select and drag the window while holding Shift. This will copy the window. Now rotate this window so that this window's deleted face is facing the other window's deleted face. Use the Attribute Editor to accurately rotate the window. Now I move one window pane to the other, making sure there's no gap between the two. Now I go to Front View and turn off the isolation. I don't see the window pane, so I click Panel. Then I click Orthographic. Then I click More and select Back View. I adjust the position a little more. I go back to Perspective View. Now I delete the top faces of both the window pane. Go to Object Mode and select both the objects, click the Mesh option, click Combine. This will make multiple meshes into one. Now hold Shift and drag the window panes down using Move tool. Now you will have 4 window panes. In Edge mode, select the 2 edges of the first window pane. Click Edit Mesh, click Bridge. For second hole, just double-click any surrounding edge. This selects all 4 edges, click Mesh, click Fill Hole. In Object mode, select the top window pane and click Isolate. Delete the bottom 2 faces. Come out of isolation. Go into Back View. Now adjust the window panes so that all 4 are aligned together. Select all the window panes. Now select the Mesh option and click Combine. Go into Vertices mode. Drag select all the middle vertical vertices and scale on the X-axis. Now select all the middle horizontal vertices and scale it on the Y-axis. Doing this will align the vertices. Go into Perspective View. Go into Object Mode. Click W. And move the window to the front. Scale the window. In Multi-View, change the back view to front view. Adjust the position of the window. Adjust the position of the window. Select the 4 glass area faces of the window. Delete them. Select the window and click Isolate. Rotate the view. Select the window faces. Click Edit Mesh. Click Extract. Now select the 4 glass faces. Click Mesh. Click Combine. Drag the 4 glass objects out. Select all the edges, hold Shift and drag with the Move tool on the Z-axis. Now click Mesh. Then click Fill Hole. This will be the glass. Click the window. Click Isolate. Here I try to bridge the inside portion of the window, but it doesn't happen. Instead it gives me this error. I find that there is a double face. I select all the vertices of the window and merge it. This way all the double faces having vertices in the same area gets merged from 2 vertices in one area to one. We will try to bridge the gap in the window again. Double-click one edge. Now hold Shift and double-click the edge at the back. This will select the 2 edge loops running parallel to each other. Now click Edit Mesh. Click Bridge. This will bridge that one whole area. Now repeat this on the other 3 areas. You can select all the edges from 2 parallel loops and press G to repeat the last action. In this case, you will repeat the bridge action. Now we have the base shape of the window. Add supporting edges using multicut or edge loop in all the exterior areas so that the window maintains its shape on clicking Smooth Preview. Supporting edges are crucial to maintaining shape and structure of the model. As you are adding supporting edge, go back and forth between Smooth and Rough Preview. Turn off isolation. Bring the window glass into the window with the Move tool. Select both and place it anywhere on the house. With this, we have reached the conclusion of this video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode. Please like and subscribe if you liked the video and found it helpful. I will see you all on the next episode of 3D for Everyone.